Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Knives Out game. To change your name on Knives Out, first of all, open up your Knives Out application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in this main home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now this will open up your profile. Click on the pencil icon at the top right and click on personal information. Now click the pencil button right next to your current username and then you will be able to see this rename card. In order to change your username, you'll need to spend a rename card. Go ahead and choose your rename card if you have one. If you don't, you'll need to buy it by spending 90 gold bars. On the next page, you'll need to type in your new username and then you will be able to change your name on Knives Out. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.